Draw this drawing. At first, setting the limit, the top portion corner is 0.0 and the upper right corner is 100 to 97. Zoom into and enter. Okay. At first, draw the circle which radius is 18. Then hit a line with distance on then on the ortho mode, and this distance is 64 and this portion distance is 46. Then this line is extend bottom up to 46. Then draw a circle which radius 18. Again draw a circle which radius is 18. Then delete this two line. Then so select the line and this person starts. So tangent, select this portion, then tangent, select this portion, tangent, select this portion, and tangent, select this portion. Then tangent, select this portion, and tangent, select this portion. Then delete this portion, and this portion. Then select the isometry view and create the region. Enter. Extrude. Enter. Extrude distance is 12. Extrude distance is 12. Then create this circle, and this circle. So create circle which radius is 9. Again 9. Then extrude these three circle. Select this circle and select the three circle. Enter and extrude. Then union these three circle. So select the union. Select this portion. Enter this portion. Enter. Again select this portion. Enter and this portion. Enter. Again select this portion. Enter. This portion. Enter. So create this portion. Then create this portion. So we select the front view. So we select at first we select the 2D wireframe, then front view, and create a rectangle with length is 82 with 12, then 82 and 12, and then draw a circle which is this 28 centimeter, 28 distance, this portion to this portion. Then offset 28, select this portion to this portion and extend this portion. Then create a circle in this point which radius is 14. This portion is related, and then a tangent line, select this portion and this portion. As this distance is 12, so the center line to this portion is 6. So create the offset line, distance is 6. So extend this line and this line, delete this line, trim this portion and this portion. Then create a region, this portion, this portion, this portion. Then trim this portion and line this portion and this portion. Then region this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion, enter. Then select the asymmetric view, southeast. Then create the extrude, enter. Extrude distance is 12. Then create this hole which radius is 8. So select the circle, create a hole which radius is 8. And then select the extrude, select this portion, enter, and then select the union, select this portion, enter, and this portion, enter. So create this portion. So create a line which is 92. This portion to this portion distance is 25. So choose a line at the middle portion and into 25. Then select this portion to this portion is 82. Enter this portion, delete. And then offset. Then this distance is 22. So select the offset 22. So offset distance is 11. So we change the axis offset distance 11, select this portion and select this portion. So we copy this object, copy this object, enter, select a base point, enter and enter. Then we move this object, move, select this portion, enter, select a base point, select a base point and place this point. Then move this object, enter, select a base point and place this point. This one deleted. Then add this portion, this portion. So change the uses, draw this line, draw this point, this is 12, this is 13, this is 12, this is 13. So create the region under this point, this point, this object, this object, this object and this object. Enter. Then select the extrude, select this portion, enter and place this point. Then extrude the whole, then union this portion, this portion, this portion and this portion. Enter. And then create this funnel. This funnel, then create this upper funnel portion. This picture is finally done by AutoCAD.